Uh-huh. And then we're going to do it under there.
What are you doing to this poor puppy?
And then we're going to do your foundation. We're going to do your foundation.
He said, I don't need foundation. I am beautiful, just the way I am.
You just have a few pimples.
A few? I can't.
We should cover those up real quick. You want to look pretty to go on your date, right?
Date? Who's he going on a date with? I didn't say yes to this.
He's going on a date with Stella.
No, he's not.
Diesel, stop it. Are you trying to hit me? We're going to do some contour. Yeah. And then I'm going to do the highlighter.
Oh no, I messed up his makeup.
We gotta redo it! Okay, we gotta start right there. Go all around with the foundation. Stop trying to eat it. It's not a marshmallow. I know. I thought it was at first too. But it's not really even that tasty. I know, right? What kind of marshmallow is this? Oh, I forgot the blush last time. I'm gonna do the blush. And then we do the contour. And the
This poor puppy
eyeshadow.
growing up with
I'm
girls.
gonna bite you. And then the highlighter. Boop.
Boop. Pretty sure I've never had my makeup done and somebody went boop. You wonder why he wants to eat it. I messed it up.
I have to do it again. That doesn't scratch me. That hurt. Bite marks on my beauty blender.
Well, that's what happens when you try to beauty blend the dog.
Here we go. Start right here. And go all around here. with the
He's
foundation.
over us.
We gotta get those bags under your eyes, bro. You gotta start sleeping. I sleep 12 hours a day.
You do not.
I do.
Oh, really?
I go to sleep very, very, very early.
What time is it right now?
Oh, where's my phone go?